Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USD into Japanese yen on PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and convert your USD into Japanese yen so that you can transfer it to your bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your PayPal account. Now, next to this drop-down menu, you're going to click on Manage Money and then click on View Money page. Now, once you click on View Money page, it's going to take you to this list of currencies here. Scroll down, and where it says the US dollar, click on Convert Currency. And then from here, you're going to change the to country to Japanese yen. So Japanese yen is here, and then simply just click on Next. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert USD into Japanese yen on PayPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.